channel. My name is Ritkriti and today I am going to be sharing with you some information about a really important day, which is Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. So before we start, you have to like, subscribe, share and also ring that notification bell so that you get updated when I post a new video. Now we can start. So, Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October every year since 2014 to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year marks the 144th birth anniversary of the freedom fighter and an ace politician. Sardar Patel played a major role in the integration of India, Ek Bharat, from over 560 princely states. To acknowledge his efforts in uniting the nation, India celebrates National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas on his birth anniversary. So, the importance of Rashtriya Ekta Divas is in many countries like India, which are full of diversities, religions, castes and languages, civilizations and cultures, it is very important to maintain the unity. So, to establish the unity of the nation, the government of India proposed the Rashtriya Ekta Divas in 2014. Since Sardar Patel is known for the integration of India, Unity Day is set to celebrate on birth anniversary, which is October 31st every year. So, I will tell you a little bit about the history of this. In the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the government of India has constructed a huge statue of Iron Man of India near the Narmada River in Gujarat. Also to acknowledge the struggles and sacrifices of the first Deputy Prime Minister of Independent India, Sardar Patel, the government of India announced the National Unity Day on the birth anniversary. In the official statement issued by the Home Ministry of India in 2014, it was stated that National Unity Day will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual potential threats to unity, integrity and security of our country. So, significance of this day is, on this day, people recall the great works of Sardar Patel and acknowledge them by celebrating Rashtriya Ekta Divas. People gathered and celebrated the Unity Day in nation by delivering speeches, sharing knowledge, different events like webinars, seminars are organized in different parts of the country. So, now here I mentioned a really important person who is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I am going to be telling you a little bit more about him. Vallabhbhai Patel, who was born on 31st October in 1875 and died on 15 December in 1950, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian barrister and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration to united, independent nation. Okay? In India and elsewhere, he was called Sardar, meaning chief in Hindu, Urdu and Persian. He acted as the Home Minister during the political integration of India and the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. Patel was born in Nadiad district of Keheda and raised in the countryside of the state of Gujarat. He was a successful lawyer. He subsequently organized peasants from Canada, Borsad and Barodi in Gujarat in non-violent civil disobedience against the British Raj, becoming one of the most influential leaders in Gujarat. He was appointed as the 49th President of the Indian National Congress, organizing the party for elections in 1934 and in 1937 while promoting the Quit India movement. As the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, Patel organized and relieved the efforts of refugees fleeing to Punjab and Delhi from Pakistan and worked to restore peace. He led the task of forgiving a united India, successfully integrating to the nearly independent nation those British colonial provinces that had been allocated to India. Besides these provinces that had been under the direct British rule, approximately 565 self-governing princely states had been released from the British. As the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, Patel organized relief efforts for refugees fleeing to Punjab and Delhi from Pakistan and worked to restore peace. He led the task of forging a united India, successfully integrating into a newly independent nation those British colonial provinces that have been allocated to India. Besides those provinces that have been under the British rule, approximately 565 self-governing princely states had been released from the British recently by Indian Independence Act of 1947. Patel persuaded almost every princely state to accede to India. His commitment to national integration in the newly independent country was total and aggressive, earning him the sobriquet of Iron Man of India. He is also remembered as a patron saint of India's civil servants for having an establishment to the modern All India Services System. He is also called the Unifier of India. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue. It was dedicated to him on 31st October 2018, which is approximately 182 meters, 597 feet in height. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new today. And if you want to know more about these special days and learn idioms and Vedic maths and much more, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification and also like. Bye!